Understanding credit scores. What you need to know: a credit score might sound complicated, but it's actually just a number that tells lenders how likely you are to pay back money you borrow. Think of it like a report card for your financial behavior. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for things like credit cards, loans, or even renting an apartment. So, what affects your credit score? There are 5 key factors. First, your payment history. This is the most important one. If you pay your bills on time, you're on the right track. Missing payments, even just once, can really hurt your score. Next is credit utilization. This is how much of your available credit you're using. Let's say you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you've used $900. That's 90% utilization, and that's too high. Try to keep it under 30% if you can. The third factor is the length of your credit history. Lenders like to see that you've been managing credit for a while. So, if you have older credit cards, keep them open, even if you don't use them often. They help show a longer, more stable credit history. The fourth thing is new credit. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it causes a small dip in your score. That's because lenders see too many applications in a short time as risky behavior. So, space out those applications. And finally, there's your credit mix. This just means having different types of credit, like a credit card, a car loan, or a student loan. It shows lenders you can handle different types of payments responsibly. Now, how do you check your credit score? Good news, it's easier than ever. Many banks and credit card companies offer free credit score tracking, and you can get a free credit report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Improving your score takes time, but it's worth it. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit balances low, and don't apply for new credit unless you really need it. Be patient and consistent, and your score will go up. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a key to financial opportunities. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you.